Welcome to this tutorial on how to change the Vert-Ergo handle on your US cooler. Over time, handles can wear out or become damaged, so it's important to know how to replace them properly. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to get your cooler back in tip-top shape. Step 1. With a small drill bit, drill a small hole in each handle cap. Insert the pick into the hole and carefully remove each cap. Step 2. With your Phillips bit, remove the screws beneath the caps on both the top and bottom of the handle. Step 3. Insert your screws into the opening in the top and bottom of your replacement handle and align them with the existing holes in the cooler door. Step 4. Carefully tighten the screws until the handle is firmly mounted on the door. Step 5. Place the handle caps over the screws in your new Vert-Ergo handle. Before you finish, make sure to test the new handle by opening and closing the door a few times to ensure everything works smoothly. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've replaced the Vert-Ergo handle on your US cooler, giving it a fresh and functional look. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support.